Welcome back. Today, we're talking about what not to pack for your cruise. Because nothing ruins a vacation faster than having your stuff confiscated at check-in. Let's dive in and make sure your only worry is which dessert to try first. First up, anything that gets hot. Irons, steamers, candles, hot plates. Leave them all at home. Fire is the biggest risk at sea, so cruise lines are strict. Even your favorite travel steamer is a no-go. Instead, pack wrinkle-release spray or use the ship's laundry services. Trust me, it's better than having your stuff taken by security. Let's keep Captain Carl happy and the ship safe. Next, power strips with surge protectors. Don't bring them. They're a fire hazard on ships and will be confiscated. Instead, get a cruise-approved non-surge power cube with USB ports. That way, you can charge all your devices safely and easily. Problem solved. Weapons and sharp objects just don't. No pocket knives, big scissors, or anything that looks like a weapon. Even toy guns. Security will hold on to anything questionable until the end of your cruise. Stick to nail clippers, and if you need a knife, ask your room steward. The only sharp things you need are your wit and your dance moves. Alcohol. Most cruise lines don't let you bring your own. Think you can sneak it in? Security's seen every trick and will confiscate it. You may be banned if they catch you. Some lines allow one sealed bottle of wine or champagne per adult. Check your cruise's policy. Otherwise, enjoy the onboard bars or consider a drink package. It's all part of the fun. Drones, hoverboards, electric scooters, leave them at home. Drones are banned for safety and privacy reasons. Same goes for any remote-controlled or battery-powered rideables. Your feet are your best bet on board. Now for the weird stuff. No coffee makers, blenders, or heating pads. No perishable food either. Customs rules are strict. Only bring small pre-packaged snacks if needed. And skip the camouflage clothing. Some ports and countries ban it. When in doubt, check your cruise line's website, ask your travel agent, or just leave it out. That's it! Packing smart means less stress and more fun. Leave the banned items at home and let the cruise line handle the rest. Your job? Show up and enjoy every minute. Pack smart, skip the stress, and get ready for adventure and let Blue Rose Travel book your next trip. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more travel tips. Bon voyage! See you next time!